Did you know that 60% of the students who plan to study abroad don't budget properly? सपने सब देख लेते हैं आने के, but when it comes to actually making it happen, सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, how do I make my budget? कोई अगर expenses का breakdown दे दे तो सब कुछ clear हो जाए. So don't worry. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to effectively manage your finances, from tuition fees to daily expenses and even budget-friendly trips, because fun भी जरूरी है. So if you want your study abroad experience to be smooth and affordable, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. Step number 1 is to plan your budget like a pro. अगर आप abroad पढ़ने जा रहे हो तो you have to estimate your monthly budget. This will include tuition fees, food, transportation, accommodation and obviously entertainment. Budgeting से आप अपने funds को manage करके financially stress free रह सकते हो. Step number 2, you should open a local bank account and currency exchange का ध्यान रखना. If you're already studying abroad और आपने अभी तक भी local bank account नहीं खुलवाया है तो this is a very simple step. You should do it right now as this will help you save currency exchange tension and you'll be able to manage your funds efficiently. Third, use student discount and maximize every opportunity. This is one of the most useful tips. आजकल कई जगहों पे student discount मिलते हैं, चाहे फिर वो transport हो, restaurant हो, shopping हो या फिर software subscription. You should use your student ID for exclusive discounts. For example, Apple, books, Spotify, student ID, phone bills, transportation, etc. So you should definitely utilize it because ये छोटी savings आपके budget को बहुत बड़ा boost दे सकते हैं. Fourth step, savings के साथ साथ you should also track your expenses. अपने expenses को track करना एक game changer है. You should even write down the tiniest spending that you are doing. आजकल different apps like Mint, Expensify and even basic spreadsheets से आप अपने expenses को properly track कर सकते हो. From a cup of coffee to even transportation, you should note down everything ताकि आपको पता चले कहाँ पे आपने अपने cost को cut down करना है. Fifth point is to differentiate between needs and wants. You should understand कि हमें unnecessary spending से बचना है.
दोस्तों मैं इस को भी खरीद सकता हूँ, सब कुछ खरीद सकता हूँ, पैसों में अंधा हो गया हूँ.
For example, you have taken a subscription और आप उसे यूज नहीं कर रहे हो, so that my friend is an unnecessary spending. सबसे पहले अपने essential needs को पहचानो, like food, transportation, tuition fees, accommodation. ये कुछ ऐसी basic needs हैं जिनके साथ बिल्कुल भी हम compromise नहीं कर सकते. Talking about wants, ये कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो ज्यादा जरूरी नहीं होती, जैसे एक fancy subscription, unnecessary shopping या हर weekend पे बाहर जाना. It is recommended कि आप अपने 70% funds रखो for the needs, 10% रखो अपने for the wants and बाकी के 10 to 20% for emergency funds in the future. Next, अब finances and cost की बात चल रही है तो scholarship भी एक valid point तो बनता ही है. I'm sure you know that there are multiple scholarships available for international students. I'm sure you know that there are multiple scholarships that are available for international students जो आपके financial burden को काफी ज्यादा reduce कर देती है. Every country and different universities have their own scholarships, तो जल्दी से apply करो और अपनी education को affordable बनाओ. Next, आपको करनी चाहिए part-time jobs and internships because extra income for extra expenses. If you are studying abroad, तो this is something that you should definitely try. Part-time job करने से आप local work culture को समझते हो, जिससे आपको future में internships मिलने के बहुत ज्यादा chances होते हैं और अपने career को boost करने के बहुत ही बड़ी opportunity है. Point number 8, emergency fund. Be prepared for unexpected expenses. You should be well prepared for any emergency that comes your way. For example, medical bill, urgent travel or any other emergency. अगर आपके पास emergency fund होगा तो आपको बिल्कुल stress नहीं होगा, तो धीरे-धीरे करके small steps से इसको build करो, long term में आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा helpful होगा. Accommodation abroad can be expensive, but there is a smart way to save. On-campus accommodation या फिर sharing apartments can cost 30 to 60% less than the private apartments. On-campus accommodation थोड़ा सा cheaper भी बनता है और आपका travel expenses भी बचेंगे. Food वगैरह भी इसमें included होता है, so this is a best fit. Last point is to use public transportation. Public transportation is your best friend while you are studying abroad. Rather than spending your money on taxis or share riding services, use buses or trains for your daily commute. Public transportation not only saves money but will let you explore the city like a local. Plus, it's eco-friendly. So get familiar with your local transit system as this will help you stretch your budget further. So these were some of the tips that will help you manage your finances as an international student. अगर आपके पास और भी कोई टिप है तो do let me know in the comment section. Or if you are also planning to study abroad, then book a free counseling session with us. We'll definitely help you out. Till then, subscribe to the channel. Bye. Local transit system as this will यार ये घूम रहा है यार पूरे टाइम. बजटिंग से आप अपने स्टूडेंट्स डिस्काउंट मिलते हैं, चाहे फिर वो ट्रांसपोर्ट हो, शॉपिंग हो, रेस्टोरेंट हो या फिर सॉफ्टवेयर सब्सक्रिप्शन. अरे यार